What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I have another phenomenal case for this beautiful phone, and I think you guys are gonna like this. I seen this case on YouTube from some other buddies like Forbes Tech Reviews. You haven't checked him out, good YouTuber, and some other YouTubers that have done this case. Now what this is, it's called the Spigen Cryo Armor, C-R-Y-O Armor, for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now it's supposed to be basically a gaming case, okay? And what it does is it cools your phone as you're playing games, because some of these flagships with these, you know, Snapdragon Gen 8.1 or whatever you want to call it, Gen 1.8 chips, they can get really hot. Now this got that cool looking design with that blue and that basically like honeycomb. If you like them honeycombs, you know how it is. Now I've been using this case for about a week and I really do like it. Let's go ahead and take the plastic off for demonstration purposes. Now this has a real smooth texture in here, so when you place your device in, I believe this is what's gonna actually help cool everything. And also on the other side with the honeycombs, as you can see there, you can cool your phone off. And Spigen makes great cases. Let's go ahead and place the S22 Ultra in here. I do like this case. I've been using it for about a week. So let's get into it. Phenomenal design, as you can see there. Pause for the thumbnail. And you can pick this up from Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description where you guys can pick this up. It's not a really pricey case. You can get a pretty good deal on this case. So as you can see there, you can pick this up for about 20 bucks on Amazon, and it is a good deal. Link down in the description, like I said. Now, as far as the camera protection, it's pretty good because you do get like a recessed camera there, so your camera is not exposed. But I would probably, if you like the screen protector on the camera, you could put that on. I don't care for them because I think it messes with your pictures, but that's my opinion. You got good protection here on the top, reinforced corners, as you can see there, which is great. I love when the corners are reinforced. I love when case companies do that, and you have it on each side except for where the S Pen is. Now I love the S Pen because it does give you that little indentation, so it doesn't see how it has that little dip, so when you get your pen out, your finger doesn't have to dig. You could just basically get it out and be good to go and start using your S Pen, and that's great. And then your opening for your Type-C and your speaker are excellent, as you can see. And then your microphone there. You got nothing really on this side, and then on this side you got your volume up and down and your power button. And as you can see, you get a little bit of a texture there for your power button, and it's real pushy. And then your volume up and down are real easy to do. Not too easy, just perfect. So I do like that. Now as far as lip protection is concerned, you do get some lip action here. Trying to look, you do get a little bit of lip action on the top and bottom, and it does hug it a little bit on the sides. You still got some exposure there, so be careful, you know, when you're out and about. The one thing that I like, how it's real strong on the top here, but for some reason it's a little flimsy on the bottom. I don't know if it's just my case. You guys can leave comment down below if you have this case, but a little flimsy here. I wish it was a little tighter, but that's not a deal breaker with this case. But sometimes I do look, and this is like off the lip a little bit because I had it in my pocket or something like that, but it's not a big deal. But that's basically the Spigen Cryo Armor case from Spigen. But I do like these this honeycomb effect here, and that, like I said, that cools your phone so that you can you know, when you're gaming, maybe taking a lot of pictures, doing a lot of video, this will cool your phone some, which is a great addition. And it's a good looking case because you don't see cases like this. This is an unusual case if you think about it. But that's gonna do it, man. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this case. If you got it, if you picked it up, let me know. And also hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when videos like this are coming. But I've been using this for over a week. It's my go-to, this in the UAG. Also got some other ones, Armadillo Tech, Otterbox, you name it. I use case, I change them like shoes. The cases are my Air Jordans because they're cheaper. All right, man. Well, that's going to do it. I appreciate you guys watching this video today. You know what to do. Peace.